Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm bringing you some of the most chilling and mysterious incidents caught on camera in 2025, stories that will truly make you question everything you thought you knew about our world. Our first story takes us to the remote, frozen forests of Siberia, where villagers recently recorded footage of bizarre glowing orbs moving rapidly through the dense woods at night. These weren't ordinary lights, they pulsed and flickered as if alive, and what's even more settling is that the audio captured eerie distorted voices, a haunting mixture of human whispers and animal growls. Locals reported feeling an overwhelming sense of dread just by being near the forest. Some even claim to have experienced time lapses or strange hallucinations after encountering these phenomena. Despite investigations, scientists and paranormal experts remain baffled. No natural or man made explanations fit what was captured. Could this be a secret military experiment? Or is it something paranormal and otherworldly? The forest remains shrouded in mystery, leaving residents on edge. Now, let's head to Compton, California, where a homeowner's doorbell camera caught footage that quickly went viral across social media. The video shows a shadowy figure walking slowly outside the house late at night. But here's the twist, the figure's shape appears distorted and unlike any human silhouette, sparking intense debates online about whether this was an alien or an own creature. Neighbors and experts have tried to rationalize it as someone wearing unusual clothing or a trick of light and shadows, but no firm explanation has been found. The woman who captured the footage describes the feeling as deeply unsettling, and many viewers share the same eerie sensation after watching. This incident has reignited global curiosity about extraterrestrial life and unseen visitors among us. Our third incredible incident, where a woman named Colleen McCormick was relaxing in her backyard hot tub when she saw something extraordinary. In the night sky, a bright, glowing object began spinning and pulsating with an unnatural light. She grabbed her phone and recorded about 8 seconds of this silent, mysterious orb falling slowly from the sky, no noise, no sparks, and no crash. After disappearing behind some trees, the object was never found. The Federal Aviation Administration confirmed there were no aircraft, drones, or satellite debris scheduled or reported in the area at the time, leaving no conventional explanation for this sighting. The orb's strange behavior and silent descent have made this one of the most perplexing aerial phenomena captured on camera in recent memory. Each of these stories leaves us with more questions than answers and reminds us how much about our world remains unexplained and, frankly, quite scary. If these tales sparked your curiosity and you want to hear more detailed investigations into mysterious events caught on camera, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe out there.